As you might tell, this is a different truck wash. It's called the smart wash. What is different? If you look from the side, it doesn't have the gears, the chains in the top. Different design. Less parts. The parts are less in number. So I think it might function for a long time without getting repaired. The old ones has too many parts, too many chains and gears, so they break down very, very often. The cycle is as follows. With acid, soap, rinse and wax. Without acid, soap, rinse and wax. So they use acid. What acid, I have no idea. That's the first phase, the acid. So now we are going to the, doesn't look like it's following the chart. It is different from the other ones. That look like it is a soap. Yeah, that is soap. And then now another soap, and then rinse and then wax. You can tell the difference in the shape of the waves, how it sprays and the brushes. That is the difference here. The hoses here are hanging in the air from the top. So they don't have gears like the old ones. We're in California, so I expect the weather to be very, very harsh. In fall, the temperature is still over 76. We're in October 28th. As you see, the skies are very bright. And when you come here in summer, the temperature goes to 125. This is Apple Valley, California, South California. That is the rinse. Most probably the wax will be when you leave. It is green now, which means I can leave. Is it going to do the wax?